YouTube's copyright policy is designed to protect the intellectual property rights of creators while also allowing users to share and interact with content in a fair and legal way. What is copyright? Copyright gives the creator of an original work exclusive rights to its use and distribution. This applies to many types of creative works, including music, videos, art, and written content. YouTube's policy on copyrighted content. You cannot upload content to YouTube that you don't have the right to use. This includes music, videos, images, or other media that are copyrighted by someone else. YouTube uses an automated system called Content ID to scan uploaded videos for copyrighted material. Content ID compares your video to a database of copyrighted works submitted by copyright owners. If it detects a match, the copyright owner can block the video, monetize it, or track its performance. Fair use. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission. It's for purposes such as commentary, criticism, education, or parody. Fair use is determined on a case-by-case basis, and it's not always a guaranteed defense. Copyright strikes. YouTube uses a strike system for copyright violations. If a takedown notice is filed, you may receive a strike. First strike, you receive a warning, and you can appeal if you believe the strike is incorrect. Second strike, if you get another strike within 90 days, your ability to upload videos is temporarily suspended. Third strike, if you get a third strike, your account will be permanently terminated. YouTube allows creators to dispute copyright strikes if they believe the takedown was wrong. Copyright takedown notices. DMCA. Copyright owners can submit a DMCA takedown notice if their content is being used without permission. If your video is taken down, you can file a counter notice if you believe it was unjustified. How to avoid copyright issues. Use royalty-free or licensed music from platforms like YouTube's audio library. The best way to avoid copyright problems is to create and upload content you own. Get permission from the copyright holder if you want to use someone else's work. Creative Commons content. YouTube allows you to upload videos under a Creative Commons license, enabling others to use your work. YouTube's Copyright and Fair Use Policy page. YouTube provides extensive information on copyright and fair use in their official Copyright Center. Safe Harbor Provisions. YouTube has safe harbor provisions under the DMCA, meaning they are not responsible for user-uploaded content. Key tips for YouTube creators. Always make sure you have the right to use the content in your videos. Take advantage of YouTube's resources to stay compliant with copyright law. If you receive a copyright strike or takedown notice, take it seriously and consider seeking legal advice.